Hello everyone, I'm George and this is the Greek Vineyard. On this short video I'm going to replace the cordons. I need to do this procedure because at this point of the vineyard the height is very low and it's impossible to work with in-row machinery like hydraulic blades or anything else that works underneath the row. So I'm going to replace the old cordons, I'm going to raise the wire, and I will use these two canes to create new cordons at this height. So, first of all, I'm going to pick the two canes I'm going to use for the new cordons, and after that, with the use of an electric saw, I'm going to remove the old cordons and then I will raise the wire. So, in that case, I'm going to use from this head these two canes and I will remove here and here. Let's do the cuttings. Be very careful with that tools, you can injure yourself pretty bad. Keep your other hand at a good distance and let's start cutting. The first cordon has been removed. Now the next one, it's more tricky because the wire is very close to the pole. I'm going to remove the wire from the pole. Now the wire is safe. Let's do the cutting. I'm going to remove the old canes and the cordon. Now I will raise the first wire at least one click. So now we're almost 10 centimeters higher and at a good point to turn these canes and create two new cordons. Of course I can remove all the old canes and of course the cordons to release the wire and increase the height even more. I can go, for example, another 10 centimeters higher. I'm going to remove all the old cordons and the canes and set the wire free. Here we are, and that one. Very well. Now that's the tricky one. Now, as you can see, the wire is almost inside the cordon, so I'm going to apply some better force. Okay. Be careful with your eyes. Cut here. This variety is the Greek variety Assyrtiko. It's a very vigorous plant, so we have very long canes. Look at here. Okay. We are almost done. Now I can raise the wire from here too. So now the wire is 10 centimeters over the previous position, and now, as you can see, I can turn my canes slowly because we don't need to break them, and tie them on the wire. This will create 2 new cordons and will give the necessary height for the trunk, so the in-row machinery can work easily underneath the row. The procedure is very easy, but you need to be careful with the tools. So that's all for the first English voice episode. I hope you liked this video. You can subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. See you in the next video.